and welcome to my desk at home. It's a mess because I don't have drawers underneath this desk, but I love this desk because it's huge. So what I did is I requested to have these under mounted drawers. So let's see how they work. So this is the package. I haven't opened it up yet. I don't even know how it works, so we're gonna do it together. So I'm assuming this is the bottom. So we're well packaged, styrofoam. So it comes with 4 strips of 3M adhesive tape, and the drawers themselves are clear. Oh, goes this way. There we go. So there is the drawer. We're gonna use the double-sided tape to adhere it up onto the top. And then here's the other one. It's a little bit smaller, but so let's get them installed, see how easy it is and how well it works.